Guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you different ways you can actually make money using CoinW. CoinW is a crypto exchange platform just like Binance, and on CoinW you can make money in different ways using the copy trading, using the P2P section whereby you buy low and sell high, and you can also do futures trading, and you can also do sports trading, ETFs, and lots more. So you can also invest in different assets. So first of all, let's start with copy trading. If we tap on the copy trading section, it's going to load. So as you can see right here, this is how the copy trading section looks like. You can see top traders right here on CoinW. So you can actually copy their trades. Let me go down and look for a trade. So let me copy this trader. Let's say, for example, you want to copy this trader. You just click on copy, and it's going to bring you to this section for you to get overview about this particular trader. So you're going to see his performance in performance based by month. So you can change it to year if you want, which means you're going to see the view in each year. So if you click on months, you see how it's doing. So I think is doing well currently for this year. It's making good amount of money. Again, if you scroll down, you're gonna see his win ratio. His win ratio is actually 78%, which is above 50%, which is cool. And you can see the profits slash that is his net profits. You can see that his net profits, and this is his total ROI. You can see right here. So which shows that it's actually making good money. Yeah, so you can actually go and copy this trader. If you click on copy, you have to log in, right? You have to log in, so you can go and create your account on CoinW. You just have to put in your phone number or use any method you want to use and create your account. And once you create your account, you can do all of that. And the next one we have is daily trading. So we have a section called daily trading. Daily trading has to do with whereby they will give you different challenge for you to complete for that day, and when you complete this challenge, you're gonna get money. So you can actually this one is saying you can see available balance 0 USDT right now. 5 USDT to challenge. If you drop 5 USDT, you're going to challenge, but you're going to take part in this challenge. So you can try to actually wrote the events rules below here, so you can read this event rules and to understand how it works and everything. And the next one we have is the auto invest. Basically, I would say you can invest any crypto on CoinW. So if you could scroll down, you see auto investment. You have USDC, you have BTC, you have ETH, and you can see the current price, and you can see the reference ROI based on the year. So this is 3 years, 5 years, 6 years, 6 months, depending on the year you want, and this is the ROI you're gonna get in return. So that's it, and you can go ahead and create a plan based on it. So you can see this one right here. This one says reference. This one says if you stake BRC20 for in the next 3 years, you're gonna get reference APY in the last 3 years. Okay, so this is reference API in the last 3 years. So okay, they're giving you a reference API to the last 3 years, so you might actually get something similar to this if you stake for the next, or if you invest if you invest for the next 3 years. Now CoinW also have a futures trading section whereby you can go ahead and short the market or long the market, and you get to make money. So as you can see right here, how it looks like. It currently is set on trading view. You can change it to original view if you want, and you can use the depth view depending on what you want. So once you have that, you can go ahead and buy. So you can see you can buy long and you can sell long. You can do a lot of things on the market. You can do markets. You can buy based on the current markets. But if you're trading futures, you always want to make use of limits, because you have a certain price you want to enter the market. So it's that easy. So basically, on the futures trading, you need to learn futures trading in order for you to become a professional in it. Right, so we come to this more section, you're going to see other ways you can actually make money on CoinW, which is liquidity pool. And liquidity pool, this means you adding a particular asset into the liquidity. It's more like providing funds to the liquidity, right? When you provide this fund, you're going to get money for doing it. So it's that easy, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.